everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to create a tablescape. So when I'm done, you guys tell me what is the theme of this tablescape, okay? All right, and I want to say hello to everyone. I appreciate everyone's support. And if you're new here, I want to say hello and welcome. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table. And at the end of this video, if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. If you just like the content, you learned something, got some inspiration from it, hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate it. But if you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified each time I upload new content. So you don't have to worry about it. When I upload something, you'll get that little flash that Tanya's Tasteful Table uploaded something. You can watch it then, watch it later. But I appreciate it. You know, if you're a tastemaker, take a look, because, we can get some shared ideas with each other. Okay, so I'm just wiping down the table. And I keep the chairs over here while I'm filming so I can kind of move easily between this area. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, guys, so here is the centerpiece of all of these are live plants in a beautiful gift basket. Makes a great bee-themed centerpiece. And this is a hand-tied bow with a bee, with a bee theme. And this is just such, I do a lot of brunches, so this is just a beautiful brunch arrangement. And just to add, to personalize this, like I said, when I was catering, I did a lot of brunches and stuff for the medical facilities and for doctors' offices and stuff like that. And so I did a lot of live plants. Now to make it more like a dish garden, and so this is how you personalize your arrangements. Then you put the bow, whatever theme you're working on. This is a beautiful, very expensive ribbon. And then add some personalization. These are like little candles. So place them in here. These are little candle holders, and they're, in the color scheme, and the little butterflies. And let's see, let's turn the light on. I turned the little tea light on. And this is just a little fun way to bring the outdoors in. And I love it. So you have your little coffee glass, you got the water glass. And this is a combination of high and low items. And you have beautiful, I have 2 place settings that have the polka dot napkins. And so I like to mix and match something. So mix and match, see there's polka dots here, so I got polka dots here, but the napkin rings are all the same. So this is very fun and lively. And then this napkin, we have stripes. I see there's stripes here. There's polka dots here in the ribbon. There's stripes in the ribbon. And then you have your graphic ribbon in the bow. Okay. And we got black and gold cutlery. And of course the theme, and this is the theme. Be happy. Be awesome. Be kind. Be thankful. And just be appreciative. Appreciate everything. Okay, so I like how that turned out. And let's see. Okay, so when you are the host, and you can be easily in theme, just get a little scarf. They carry these scarves and stuff at Dollar Tree, and you can just easily just put a little scarf in. You'll be in theme as well. With your dress, or I just got back from working out, walking, so I'm like, I had some energy and I wanted to share this with you guys. So you can also do it like, make yourself a part of the theme. And also, you can do this 2 ways. Let me make some adjustments. Let's see. We can keep everything the same, but remove these. Do it like this. And that makes a striking. So that's 2 ways to do it. said, if you're on a budget and you really want to make a strong B statement, then you get something, you know, with a pattern like that. And I like this for the morning, so that'll wake everyone up, and then keep everything else the same. If you're on a budget and you only have money for like a tape, you know, if you want to have a theme, you keep everything else neutral. Keep everything else simple. You get your pattern here. If you only had like $20, you get 4 placemats, four like salad plates, and the cups. And everything else you can work around. Okay, guys, so that's it. That is our bee theme. It's how you can make a bee themed brunch tablescape on a budget. I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. It's been a pleasure creating this tablescape with you. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers. And hit that bell notification. That's very important. Hit that bell. When you subscribe, you see that little black bell. Hit that. And there's nothing else you have to do. When I upload, it'll pop up. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And I appreciate all of your support for all of these years. I appreciate you guys so much. And I'll see you hope this inspired you. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. That's cute. You know, you can even do two with this and then 2 with the woven placemats, you know. So, okay, guys, bye.